Three.
Sir, I have a question. While observing in our school campus, I find that some plants are big and strong and tall, and some plants are small and short. Can you explain it to us why it happens so?
Okay. So you have observed some plants are tall and some of them are short. Okay. So let me explain to you. It's very simple. These are tall trees. Why they are tall? Because their stem is this one. The stem is woody. Woody means they are strong. Okay, the stem is strong. So they give a full support to the tree, and they have this xylem and phloem also connecting tissue. And the stem, it is a woody and there's a strong stem. Okay, so it gives a full support to the tree. So they are standing strong. Okay, and this one, can you come here? This one is kind of a grass. It's a grass, though they have the vascular bundle. They are short because they have the stem is soft. Okay, soft, and since they are soft, they cannot have the strong support. So they are not that tall as this woody type. It's non-woody and the stem is soft. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. The three.
Sir, how can we differentiate between monocots and dicots while just observing?
Okay. So that is a good question. Regarding monocots and dicots, we can just simply differentiate. Can you just zoom in here? This one is the monocot. Why monocot? Because the venation. The venation is parallel. Can you just see?
Yes.
The venation is parallel. Okay. And just see the differentiation here. This one. Here the leaf venation is they have a complex network, a branch-like structure. Other than the simple monocot one, they have the parallel. So this, if you find the leaf with this branch network-like structure, this is a dicot. Okay, then the simple parallel one is a monocot. So while just observing the leaf venation, we can differentiate between monocot and dicot.
Thank you.
All right, understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, what kinds of plants is this?
Okay, this is a climber. Okay, this type of plant is called climber because they are depending on the other plant. They cannot stand on their own. So then just look around here. This is a climber plant. They cannot stand on their own, so they are depending on the other plant. Okay, so the main reason is their stem is also very soft and tender, and they have tendril. Tendril system means they are entangled to the other plant for support system. Okay, all right. So that's why this kind of climber, they cannot stand alone, but they are depending on other source. They have adventurous root system also. All right.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Depending on the habitation, in our school campus, we find different types of plant species, right? So let's try to observe under the microscope. Their stomatal density. Okay, stomata. You know stomata. Okay, so we're going to observe different types of stomatal density. Let's take this one monocot and one dicot and one climber. We'll take the leaf from here and we'll observe under the microscope and we'll study the stomatal density. Stomatal density means we're going to observe the number of exchange of gases, that carbon dioxide intake and oxygen release, and about the transpiration also, the photosynthesis, right? We can detect from this stomatal density. All right, so we can go to the laboratory and we'll study, okay, this type of leaf.
Sir.
Ama sa tatra? Si Soma sa talo. Okay. Okay, dear students, we will observe this leaf, okay? And while observing under the microscope, you will find this one. While peeling off this leaf, we'll put here in this slide, okay? And then under this slide, we'll put this glycerin and then we'll cover with the cover sleeve, okay? And we'll observe under the microscope. While observing under the microscope, you will find this kind of a structure. This kind of structure. This is guarded by the two guard cell, and this is the stomata, where there will be exchange of the gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen. Do you know photosynthesis? What kind of gas they are intake and what gas is released?
They release oxygen and they take carbon dioxide.
Okay, carbon dioxide is intact and then oxygen is released. Okay, so this all happens in this stomata pore, where exchange of gases also takes place, and even the water, they regulate the water also. It's water vapor. This water vapor will be released from this stomata through transpiration. Transpiration is the process where water is released from the leaf. So this all happen inside this stomata. Now let's observe this under the microscope. Yeah. Tôi có chia lô ko. Cái này ubro. Cái nó. Okay. Sai na si ubri mo je. Sikra patak toraga layer se si se satal laga sida hapan ni. Sigi pot che noi. Sig layer ja sitolo. Aduga sida glycerin toraga ne hapka don. Yae. Apo aduga ne. Si cover slip siya. Subo lang may